What are you doing? Getting some candy? Look at me. Are you supposed to be getting candy?
No.
So why are you?
Yeah, I can eat it.
What are you eating? Look at Mommy. What are you eating? Tootsie Rolls? Are you supposed to be eating Tootsie Rolls? Are you supposed to be eating Tootsie Rolls? No.
Why?
How many Tootsie Rolls have you had?
4.
4?
Yeah.
All right. Out of the pantry, please. No. No more candy goes with us. No. Out. Out. Out.